Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss section C for Maths Kssm for all the Form 5 students. To prepare for your mini exam, you must actually keep on practice from now. So I would like to discuss section C. You have 2 questions, right? So you actually choose one question to answer. Answer any one in this section. Okay, this is a new format of SPM exam. So now we are going to start with the section C, right? Okay, for preparation for your mini exam. Now I would like to discuss section C, question number 16. Now let's go through the question. Diagram 16.1 below shows an abundant rectangular lens shape like a rectangle PQRS. Okay, the triangle area of the AQB is a swarm area with a condition AQ equal to BR equal to X meter. It means this is X meter. And AQ equal to BR, here also X. Okay, and then we are asking to, given the length of PA and QB is 34 meter and 10 meter respectively. Okay, so we are given 35 and then 35 meter for the PA, and for the PA is 35 meter. Okay, and then for the QB is 12 meter. There's an error, 35 and 12. Okay, so let me do correction. Express the length of SR side of the soil in terms of X. So let's see SR. Okay, perimeter was given. Okay, so we are given the SR here equal to 35 plus X. Right, so SR equal to 35 plus X meter. Okay, so the answer is just SR equal to 35 plus X, which is very simple, right? Okay, that's answer. Then form a quadratic expression for the entire area of rectangular length L. L is actually a rectangle, so 35 plus X times with the length and the width, just simple, 12 plus X, right? So we are going to write the area is equal to 35 plus X times with the 12 plus X. Okay, so you need to express in simplest form. Alright, so just now the answer for A is 35 plus X, right, meter. And then for the area of the rectangular, we are asking to use the symbol L. So 35 plus X times 12 plus X. Now you need to do expansion carefully. So L is equal to 420. If you press the calculator, plus 35x plus 12x plus the x squared. So the answer is x squared plus 47x plus 420. So the next question is asking if the area of non-swampy area is 650, non-swampy area, find the value of x. Okay, which part is non-swampy area? Okay, let's see. The abandoned rectangular shape. Okay, the AQB is a swamp area. Wait, this one is a swamp area. Let me draw the water to show it's a swamp area. Okay, so we need to remove this triangle, which is half times the base times with the height. So this one is 1/2 triangle, right? Times the 12 times with the x. So it's actually 6x. Okay, so that means the area for the non-swampy area should be just now the answer, which is this answer, x squared plus 47 x plus 420 minus out 6x, right? Which is the area of triangle equal to 650. So let's simplify to the general form. Okay, 47 minus 6 will be 41x plus it should be minus 230, right? Is equal to 0. General form, make sure it's general form, factorize. So after factorize, solve, so you will get x plus 45, x plus 45, here will be x minus 40, here should be 46, right? 5, right? So we have to reject the negative answer. So if you solve carefully, you will get the answer x should be positive 5. Okay, and this one x equal to negative 46, we need to reject. Why? Because we don't have measurement of the x, which is is a negative, right? Okay, so the final answer x is 5, right? So that is the answer for solving the x. So let's proceed to the next one. So the x is actually 5 meter. Okay, if you want to write the unit, it will be 5 meter. Now let's proceed to the next question. Patma bought the abandoned land and fence around PABRS area with a quality fence price 13 ringgit per meter. He has budget of 2,000 to use. Determine whether the budget is sufficient or not. If the fence installation is half of the total purchase of fence. So you need to understand the question. And the area is is PABRS. Let's go to the diagram and see where is PABRS. So I'm going to build the fence using the yellow color. PA, I fence using yellow color. PAB, and then R, and then S. PABRS. So okay, let's see. We have to follow the instruction of the question, right? So we have to add up everything according to the instruction given. So Papmao bought the abandoned land and fence around the PABRS area. So this area is an area. So this side also, right? It should be enclosed area, right? Fence. So let's see. We have the 35. Here we have Pythagoras. This is 5. So Pythagoras theorem is 13. So this is 5. And this is 40. Okay. But the question did mention PABRS. What about this one? Okay, if let's say we not included that one, so the answer is 45 plus 35, 80 plus 13. So it's 113 meter, right? Okay, let's write down the answer. So the answer is 35. Okay, we have to add up 35, and then we have 13, and then we have 5, and we have 40. But the question didn't mention about this one. So do we need to fan? I don't think so. So this side we take out. So we just fence again. We have to follow whatever given by the question. 35 plus 13. Okay. This side we don't fence. So that means we just add up 35 plus 5, 40, 80, 93, right? So it's just 93 meter, right? Okay, so the perimeter is 35 plus 5 plus 35 plus 5 plus 13. So with the condition, we don't fence the other side, which is not mentioned in the question, PS. So the answer is 93 meter. 93 meter. Okay, so we don't have to plus with the 17. So that means the purchase price, the price of the fence is equal to 93 meter times ringgit Malaysia 13. Alright, 13. So then we will calculate. We will get the answer, which is 1209. And then we will try to divide. We try to divide to include the installation price, right? So let's do it again. Okay, let's do it here. So the answer is we will take, okay, let's write down the answer. The length, write the answer in order. Length of the fence is equal to 35 plus 5 plus 40 plus 13, which is 93 meter, right? So the perimeter, the price for the fence is equal to 93 times RM 13 ringgit. So the answer is RM 1209. Okay, so then installation price or installation fee is equal to half 1209 divided by 2. So the answer is 604.50. So then the total budget, the total price is RM 1209 plus RM 604.50. So that means the amount that need to spend by Pak Mau is Ringgit Malaysia 1813.50. Okay, so let's answer the question. The budget is sufficient. The question is asking, determine whether the budget is sufficient. Yes, the budget is sufficient. Okay, because the total amount spent by Pak Mau is just RM 1813.50 less than budget amount RM 2000. Okay, so it's sufficient, right? So you need to justify your answer, okay, by answer the question by using the complete sentence. Okay, so this is a question on section C. It's about the budget. Okay, so we have another one, which is the last part. Pak Mau want to build a fish pond in the shape of a quarter circle centered at the point S on the land. The position of the fish pond is illustrated in the diagram below. Okay, so what's the question then? Given that Pak Mau has yet to decide the actual size of the fish ponds he wants to build, calculate the maximum value of the arc length of KL in meter, which can be constructed by Pak Mau. Alright, so arc length KL. So the formula for arc length is theta over 360 times 2 times pi times with the radius. Okay, the radius given is actually given by the question. Arc length KL. So let's see, the radius should be, okay, that's KL in meter. Okay, so let's see. We have to work out the radius here. Let's work out the radius. This is a radius, right? So okay, this is the arc length. Okay, so the question say maximum. Okay, let's say the maximum arc length. So if maximum, it will be using this is 5, the radius is 17, right? Radius 17 and 17. So we will try to use the maximum radius. So let's write, okay, this is the arc length. So because it's actually a quarter, so it's 90 degrees times with the 2 times with the pi times with the radius, which is 17, assuming it's 17. Okay, so that the arc length will be maximum. Okay, maximum means the highest. So if we simplify, we'll get the answer is 26.7143 meter. So the maximum arc length, it will be 26.71 meter. Okay, so this is how we predict the maximum arc length. Arc length KL. So that means it cannot be more than 26.71, the maximum arc length. KL is 26.71 meter. So that's all my sharing on how to solve the question in section C for paper 2 Kssm mathematics. Now for this question, for the fence around the BRS area, because there is a word area, so some of you will answer, you will consider the length of fence is inclusive of this side. Let me show you. That means you will fence not only this one, the fence. So there are two possible answers. I think which one is better answer, because this is actually abandoned land. So if you fence, so I actually think that we have to fence the side of PS also, because this is an abandoned land. And then you have to add an extra of 17. So if you take 35, 13, 5, 40, you must plus with the 17. So the answer will be 93 plus, just now we have 93, right? We have to plus with another 17 meter. So if you plus with another 17 meter, so the answer will be different, right? So just work out another one solution. It depends on how you justify your answer. So if you take in 17 meter, because it's an abandoned land, so it's logically it's an area, so the fence we need to make sure it cover the whole area. So then the price for the fence will be 110 times with the 13 ringgit, which become 1430 meter, and the fence installation will be half price. It will be 715. So that means the total installation price will be different. Okay, the total installation plus the fence, the cost for the fence will be RM 2145, which is 1430 plus 715. Okay, let's write down, which is RM 1430 plus RM 715. So the answer is RM 2145. Right, so that means the budget, the budget given to Pak Mam is 2000. So the answer is no, because the budget is just determine whether the budget is insufficient. Why? Because the expenditure or the money spent, because the money spent is RM 2145 exceeded the budget RM 2000. Exceeded the budget by Pak Mam, which is just RM 2000. Okay, that is how you justify your answer. So you can actually write down the answer using the sentence to support your working. Okay, so if you calculated as 110 meter, because you included the site that actually not mentioned in the question, because the question just mentioned about the abandoned area of the question just mentioned about the abandoned area of the land, which is PABRS, but because of the word abandoned land, so we have to consider it is an area, so we need to fence for the other side. Okay, so it's all in all, it depends on how you justify the answer. Right, either your answer is sufficient or insufficient, you have to write a sentence to support your answer, to explain your working. Okay, that's all my sharing for section C for mathematics.